Hello, lovely. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm here today to announce clue number 6 of our year-long mystery knit-along, Brilliance. And I know I say this all the time, but I am loving watching all of your projects take shape. You're doing such an amazing job. And it's so cool to see all the different colors that you're choosing, and that some of you are making the symmetrical version, some of you are making the regular version. So it's really neat to see that you're taking essentially the same project, but making it your own. And I think that's what knitting is all about. I hope you're loving all of the beautiful diamond-inspired stitch patterns that we've worked so far this year. They're each different, but they all tie together, and I love that so much. So for this clue, we're knitting another gorgeous diamond pattern, which to me looks like stained glass windows. And for this month's theme, we are focusing on being brave. I remember when I was 14 and I first tried to learn to knit, my Aunt Phyllis was teaching me how to knit a dishcloth, and being a crocheter, the concept of stitches potentially dropping off my needle while I was knitting was really scary. But in this exciting clue, we are actually going to be intentionally dropping stitches off of our needle and leaving them off for the entire row. And we just have to trust that when we are ready for them, they will be there waiting for us. So for this month, I encourage you to step outside of your comfort zone, take some risks, and try something new. When you do step outside of your comfort zone, it is such an incredible, expansive feeling that you can't get when you play it small. So this month, I really encourage you to comment below or post in the Ravelry forum, letting us all know what you chose to do this month, even if it was a little bit scary. I think your story will really inspire the rest of us. The yarn that we're recommending this month is our Dreamer Buttery Sport, and it's a clear, striking sky blue, and it's very calming, it's very soothing. It's a color that makes you want to sit pensively in a windowsill and daydream the afternoon away. So be sure to download this clue and get the yarn at expressionfiberarts.com, and have an absolutely marvelous month knitting this clue. And I will see you in a month with clue number 7. Bye!